Hey foodie, let's make a riro. The first step is to boil our protein. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. I'm using beef and assorted. I seasoned with onion, salt and seasoning cubes. Halfway into the boiling process, I added pomo and stockfish. While that is boiling, I went ahead to prep the pepper mix and the vegetables. In a clean pot, I added palm oil. When it was hot, I went in with some onion and locust beans. After 2 minutes, I added the pepper mix. Allowed to fry for 5 minutes before adding salt, seasoning and crayfish. After 5 minutes, I added smoked panla and our already boiled protein. I allowed to cook for 5 minutes, then I went in with our efo. I gave that a good mix and our efo is ready. I'll be pairing this with Ayoola Poundo Yam. It takes just 5 minutes to prepare. It is rich in vitamin, mineral and fiber. It is made without preservatives and I love the fact that it has the aroma of a freshly pounded yam. It comes in different sizes. You can get it at the supermarket or at your local market. Enjoy with any soup of your choice.